Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell us so how to fix problem Zoom not working on your macOS Tahoe. So first thing, just try to reinstall the application. So you could also just open that from here or from the Finder and just try to uninstall it. Also you could do it like this, just tap on it and you could also show in Finder and after just remove from Finder it. Actually, sometimes it also helps too. Another thing you could try also to update the app. So you could also check the latest updates from App Store. You could also just go to updates. Here you will see your application if you will have available updates for that, and you will just need to install them. Also, the latest option you could try also to update your Mac. So just go to system settings, and here you will see software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it was successfully installed on your computer. And the latest option you could try also to restore your Mac. So just tap on app logo, just choose restore and just submit restore your app Mac. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye.